In more ways than one, live photos are super fun-loving as they bring your memorable photos to life with just a long press. For those unaware, live photos capture 1.5 seconds of video before and after you take a picture with the aim of adding a little bit of life and movement to still images. So if you're fond of live photos, chances are you'd be super glad to know that you can convert a live photo into a fun-loving boomerang. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now tap on the Albums tab at the bottom. Under the Media section, choose Live Photos. After that, select a preferred live photo. Next up, tap on the live icon in the top left corner of the interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Bounce and voila, your selected effect will be applied instantly and ready for you to share it using the share icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Note that there are two other effects that you can try in the Photos app. While loop repeats the action in a continuous looping video, long exposure simulates a DSLR-like long exposure effect by blurring the motion. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily turn a live photo into a boomerang on your iPhone and share that with your friends and loved ones. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.